right now, so it's gotta go. Huh? Oh my god, it's windy!
It's right down the road.
Oh, I have no problem. Gotta pay attention to which one's which. Well, that's right, yours does. Guess we'll have to give each other some space to go. I'll be in Nick. From the Nick.
Oh, bad baby.
That makes sense.
But you guys can't be stepping forward anymore. Just stagger yourself.
Throttle it back, Keyon. Don't go forward.
It does. It's very alien. Okay. I'm right there with you, Keyon. Okay. Over at the end.
You can see my strokes now.
Yeah.
What's your afterburner? Nice.
His raises the ballistic.
Yes, I know.
Yeah, that's me. I'm a little ahead of you, though. This is good for the battery, guys.
Yeah, I could fly 8 minutes like this.
Like this, I can probably fly.
That's me. I'm trying to come down low, but the wind keeps shooting me up. I'll be closest to us, guys. Very close.
Oh, yeah.
This is just fun, kind of chilling. I'm cruising at 55.
Yeah, I've been at like almost idle a couple times. I'm not worried about power. I'm barely using any. This is pretty cool, guys.
Oh, you can see my strokes clearly. Alright, on the next pass, I'm going to go full.
Okay.
I'm in the front, guys.
Okay. I'll pick up the rear. Go. No, you're fast.
I'm like picking up.
Yes. Let's look at Ray. 75. What the fuck, man? You just kind of look like that. Alright, I'm doing a solo pass. Solo lap.
So I can see. I'm gonna land in like a little under a minute because I haven't been flying full throttle much at all. I've been flying such low throttle. I've only done a couple passes. Yeah, I'm not landing. I'm just. I'm like below. I'm below half.
I know. I'm about half. I'm gonna put my gear down fast, right?
Okay.
Let's go. You wanna do it with me?
I'll be there with you, but I'm not gonna land yet. Yeah, don't. I'll escort you in, and I'll land after you.
Alright, Keyon, watch.
I'm coming in right
I'm
now.
on the far right.
Okay.
I'll be clear.
That was good. We were together almost the whole flight.
Yeah.
We should do that for the air show.
Maybe we can. We'll just have to mix it up. We'll have to mix it up to keep people interested, though.
Oh, beautiful. Easy go.
That was no flaps.
Yeah, see, I got look at those maps.
That was fun, guys.
That was a 5.5 minute flight for me. I went 2:45 over. I went 2:45 over my first half of the time.
Oh,
Did you stop?
yeah. Well, I got it used, so. Alright, there we go. That's good. Dude, your lights look good. I like your lights. I gotta change the paint on the exhaust. No, with mine it looks like 2.